In this tutorial, we'll show how to create the text for an outbound SMS text message campaign. And it is actually pretty simple. Let's say you're a soccer coach and you want to let all your players know that the time of practice has changed today, and you just want to send out the same message to everybody. In this case, you just type in the message. And there you go. You can save it here. You can also send the same message in a different language, in Spanish. Mind you, we don't do the translation for you, but I happen to have looked up a translation. And there we go. So if you've got some players that prefer to get their messages in Spanish and some in English, that's information you can tell us when you create your contact list. And again, we can save that. And now we've got messages saved in both languages, and the notification service will choose the right one when it comes time to send the message. Let's say you are an excellent soccer coach and you want to offer some individual instruction to each player at different times. So you want to let each player get a slightly different message that gives the time and name that's unique for them. So let's start typing. Individual instruction for, and we want to put in the player name here. Now how do we do that? We have to create a variable because this is going to vary from a message to message. We'll call it name. And now you'll see that the name variable has appeared in the message variable box on the right hand side. All we do is double click it to insert that into the message. So individual instruction for, let's say, Dave is at, and now it's a time. Same thing, create a time variable. As we add that, we'll see it appear in the box to the right, and we can double click on that. And that is it. Now, you certainly will want to test this, make sure that you've got this all formatted correctly before actually launching these messages. So to do that, you can click on the test button, and this will show you what will be in a text message. In this case, we do have message variables, and those variables will appear as part of the message, so we need to put some test data in here so that we can build the test message correctly. So this was Dave, and his time is 4:15. And now let's view the SMS text. Individual instruction for Dave at 4:15. The message looks good. We're good to launch the campaign.